It's your homegirl Linamar. Oh no. Hey YouTube, it's your homegirl Linamar, and as you guys can tell from this title, this is my current makeup routine. So this look, if you're interested in knowing how I achieved it, then keep watching. Otherwise, thanks for clicking. Have a nice day. Yes, my hair is wet. You're just gonna have to deal with it. I've already prepped and primed. I've already primed my skin with the Bare Minerals Brilliant Future Eye Cream, followed by the Antipodes Rejoice Light Facial Day Cream. Move on to foundation. For my foundation, if you watch my favorites, I was banging on about this by Bare Minerals. It's their original foundation. I have it in the shade Golden Tan. And yeah, I've been reaching for it a lot. I like it a lot, and I definitely will be repurchasing this with my own money when it runs out, because I really like it. So just get a little bit on the lid, not a lot, and then just, I don't have a mirror, bear with me. And if the light changes, I do apologize. I'm using natural light. I just prefer to do that when I'm doing makeup videos. I think it gives more of a realistic look, if you know what I mean. Starting with the forehead, just kind of everywhere. It's so easy to use as well. Doesn't look cakey. Doesn't feel like I have any makeup on. And it only has like 5 ingredients or something, so I feel as though my skin benefits from using this. And no, this is not sponsored, it's not paid. I have worked with them in the past. I have no obligation to say anything nice about them in this video, but I really like it, so there you go. Just gives a really nice glow, especially for something that's like powder. So amazed with this. And for those of you who don't know, I have normal to dry skin. That's it, that's the foundation done. How easy was that? Day to day, I tend to keep my eye makeup pretty simple. Usually just a winged liner, a coloured liner if I'm feeling a little bit adventurous, but otherwise I don't bother with eyeshadow. However, saying that, I have been reaching for this Bare Minerals Copper palette, and this shade in particular, I think it's called Truth. Taking that colour literally all over my lid, like so. And I'm not being too neat when I do this either. I'm just trying to get a wash of colour, and it's quite a nice sort of pinky, cool tone pink kind of. Don't really know if the camera is picking it up or not, but hey ho, guess I'll find out at the end. So how have you all been? What's new in the world of YouTube? I just feel so disconnected from it because I've been away for a while, but slowly getting into the swing of things. But in the meantime, let's just get our face on. And that's really all I'm doing to the lids. I am going to take a brown liner. This is by Gosh in the shade Truly Brown. I don't even know if Gosh is still around, but any brown liner will do, or black or blue, whatever colour you fancy or prefer. I'm just going to take this on the waterline a little bit, and again, I'm being quite messy, smudging it out with my fingers. Next, I'm going to move on to concealer, and I have been loving this. Again, it's not sponsored, but it is by Bare Minerals. And this is their Bare Skin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. I have it in the shade Medium Golden. Again, I will be repurchasing this. I prefer it to the NARS Creamy Concealer, even my Maybelline Eraser Concealer. I prefer this one, so. Don't take a lot, just a little bit under the eyes and the corners of my mouth. And then I'm just using this flat foundation brush. This is by Armani, anyone will do. And I'm just gonna blend that out very lightly. I really want to try the new Pat McGrath foundation that everyone keeps going on about. If any of you have tried it, please let me know what you think in the comments, because it's hella expensive, so don't really want to spend loads of money and then it turns out to be rubbish. Saying that, I haven't really seen a bad review for it yet. Concealer on, I'm going to move on to bronzer. I actually like doing my brows last. Oh, this looks so bad. I promise you it's not sponsored. But I have more stuff by Bare Minerals that I'm using. And this is their bronzer in the shade Warmth. I love, love, love the bronzers. I just can't get enough of it. I'm gonna show you. You can just see how natural and... Let me just show you. Just adds such a nice warmth to the face. I really like it. And then I'm taking another bronzer, but this is in the shade Faux Tan, which is slightly cooler, a little bit darker. And I'm going to just pop that on top, just to add a bit more of a colour. Now, I don't normally wear a highlighter. However, Tasha has really got me into this particular one, and again, everything I've used is Bare Minerals. Anyway, I've been using this highlighter in the shade Free. No, not Free, that's the wrong one. I've been using it in the shade Fierce. It's so pretty, and I'm taking this flat duo fiber brush by Crown. It's taking a tiny, tiny bit, and I'm gonna pop a little bit just here. Not a lot. I do like quite a subtle everyday glow, so nothing crazy. It's just so pretty. So thank you, Tasha, for getting me into highlighters again, because yeah, I wasn't into this before. Now I like to put my blush on top of my highlight just so the shimmer's not too much. And I'm taking this Bare Minerals blush in the shade Let's Go Nude. This is a Hakuhodo brush, for anyone wondering. And just pop it on the apples. And now it is quite a nudie shade, so it does look quite similar to the bronzer. And so I'm gonna take a little bit of this. It's not by Bare Minerals. Charlotte Tilbury blush in Cheek to Chic. Oh, it's in the shade Ecstasy, I think. Same brush, and I'm just gonna pop a tiny bit, like so. So now I'm gonna move on to my brows, and I'm using this product called Soap Brows. And to use it, you're gonna need a spoolie that I'm gonna wet with just water, nothing else. I'm just gonna pick some of that product up by scraping it like so. And all I'm gonna do is just brush the product up to create this kind of spiky look. You can use your fingers as well to help you. I'm finding this difficult because I am holding a mirror in this hand, but also this brow isn't really for everyone. I've been liking this slightly bushy, spiky look. You can see the difference between this brow, and all we've done is brush them up with one product. Now you could just leave them like that, but I'm a little bit extra, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some very fine sort of hair strokes using this MAC brow pen. All the information will be in the description, so yeah. I'm literally just going to draw tiny little hairs following my natural hairs already. But all we're doing is little tiny brush hairs. And that's the brows done, and we are going to draw the freckles on using the same thing. So two ways you could draw your freckles on. The first is literally just taking the pen and dotting them on like so. And if you want it to look a bit more natural, just take your finger and pat over it a little bit. Another thing you can do that I've been doing sometimes is on your finger just draw loads of little dots. They can be as random and as messy as you like, and then just kind of use it as like a stamp. And this looks really, really natural, but it's a bit more time consuming. Just dab it in with my fingers. I'm gonna pop on the tiniest bit of mascara because, yeah, I can't be dealing with all that. And this is the one by Glossier. It's nice if you like if you're not a mascara type of girl and you just like something that just looks quite natural, easy to use, this is perfect. I know some of you are like, what? She doesn't like mascara, but yeah, people are always amazed when I say that. I've just never really been into it. I think it's taking it off that takes its toll on me, and that's why I hate wearing it. And for my lips, I've been keeping it pretty simple. Now I have been using Tasha Green Bobbi Brown her lip gloss in ombre quite a lot, but recently I've been switching it up. I still use it and reach for it every day, so no one come for me. But I'm taking this Rimmel liner in the shade Cappuccino. I've had this for so long. I love it. And I'm just going to slightly overdraw my lips as well. This is such a nice colour to line your lips with. It's quite cool toned. Now there are times where I've just left it like that with just the liner on, but today I'm gonna take this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Karina's Star, and it's quite like a peachy nude, and I'm just gonna dot that on. And then I've been using this, I do not know the name or how you pronounce it, 3Ina, Makeup by Ina. I'm gonna leave everything in the description, as I said, to set my makeup. And I'm gonna finish my hair, come back and show you the finished look. And that's it. That's the finished look with my hair done. My hair did, my hair. This is how I'm gonna leave the house, basically. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, thumbs up, whatever, comment. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.